Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Nandal for his question. The area of OHS in the diving industry in Fiji, the Ministry had actually passed a diving regulation, to govern the health and safety at work in this particular sector back in 2006. And the development of that regulation was a result of a lot of consultations with all the stakeholders in that industry, starting back from 1997 to 2005. But the implementation of that regulation, due to the new technical and legal requirements, the diving industry needed time to prepare themselves, so the commencement of the date for enforcement was delayed to 6 June 2014. But from the period from 2006 to 2014, the Ministry has been working together with the Fisheries Department and other stakeholders, such as the Fiji Navy, Ministry of Health and Medical Services, Fiji Dive Operators Association, Fiji Recompression Chamber Facility, and the Beach Team organization to try to see whether we could curb diving accidents in the fishing commercial sector. There were inspection guidelines developed. There was a lot of awareness that was conducted to employers, suppliers and owners of dive equipment all around Fiji. The intent of this diving regulation of 2006 was to try to address the issue of dive-related accidents. We know we've had a lot of those problems. And in particular, the three main causes of accidents happening in this area. One of these major causes is personal factors, people having a lack of awareness on the diving risk and lacking dive training. And the motivation for quick money, people not fully understanding the potential dangers of diving. Secondly, has been the problem of equipment factors, defective and poorly maintained diving equipment. So with the enforcement of the regulations, the inspectors now go out and actually inspect the equipment that is used by those that are undertaking diving. And third has been the unsafe dive practices, the lack of supervision and absence of emergency treatment equipment. Since the enactment of the diving regulations, dive accidents have been reduced by around 40%. And we hope that this number will continue to reduce with more inspection and enforcement by the OHS Inspectorate nationwide. Thank you, Madam Speaker.